combining workouts with a low glycemic index diet for optimal health. Achieving optimal health requires a balanced approach that integrates both physical activity and nutrition. Combining regular workouts with a low glycemic index (GI) diet can enhance energy levels, promote fat loss, and improve overall well-being. The glycemic index ranks foods based on how quickly they raise blood sugar levels. Low GI foods, such as vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, release glucose slowly, providing sustained energy and preventing blood sugar spikes. When paired with consistent exercise, a low GI diet helps fuel workouts efficiently. For example, strength training and cardio require steady energy to perform at high intensity. By consuming low GI foods like oats, quinoa, or sweet potatoes before a workout, you ensure that your muscles have a slow, consistent release of energy. After exercising, continuing with low GI options helps stabilize blood sugar and aids in muscle recovery. Additionally, this combination supports weight management by reducing hunger and improving satiety. Low GI foods keep you feeling fuller for longer, which can prevent overeating. Regular exercise boosts metabolism and enhances the body's ability to utilize stored fat. Together, these strategies create a powerful synergy for sustainable health improvements. Incorporating a low GI diet alongside an active lifestyle is a proven way to optimize energy, build strength, and support long-term health goals. Understanding the low glycemic index diet. A low glycemic index (GI) diet focuses on consuming foods that have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. The glycemic index measures how quickly carbohydrates in foods raise blood glucose after eating. Foods are ranked on a scale from 0 to 100, with low GI foods scoring 55 or below. These foods, such as non-starchy vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and certain fruits, release glucose slowly, promoting stable blood sugar and sustained energy. The primary benefit of a low GI diet is its ability to help manage blood sugar levels, making it particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. By avoiding high GI foods like white bread, sugary snacks, and refined grains, people can reduce insulin spikes, which helps prevent energy crashes and cravings. Moreover, a low GI diet supports weight management. It promotes satiety by providing a gradual release of energy, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Combined with regular exercise, it can enhance fat loss and improve metabolic health. This approach also benefits heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Understanding and adopting a low GI diet is a sustainable way to support long-term health, enhance energy, and maintain balanced blood sugar levels. The benefits of a low GI diet for workout enthusiasts. A low glycemic index (GI) diet offers numerous advantages for those who engage in regular workouts, helping to maximize performance and recovery. One of the primary benefits is sustained energy levels. Low GI foods like oats, quinoa, and legumes release glucose slowly, ensuring a steady energy supply during workouts, which helps avoid energy crashes. Additionally, a low GI diet aids in improved appetite control by keeping blood sugar levels stable. This reduces hunger and curbs cravings, allowing workout enthusiasts to maintain a balanced diet without feeling deprived. Low GI foods help regulate insulin release, which supports muscle repair and replenishes glycogen stores more effectively after exercise. Over time, this can lead to faster recovery between workouts. Weight management is also easier on a low GI diet, as it promotes satiety and reduces the tendency to overeat. Finally, the diet reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and obesity, making it a long-term, health-conscious choice for active individuals. By combining a low GI diet with regular physical activity, workout enthusiasts can optimize their performance, enhance recovery, and support overall health. Effective workouts to pair with a low GI diet. Pairing a low glycemic index (GI) diet with the right workout routines can enhance energy levels, boost performance, and support recovery. Strength training is an excellent choice, as the slow release of energy from low GI foods fuels muscle-building exercises like weightlifting, squats, and deadlifts. This sustained energy helps maintain endurance throughout intense sessions, allowing for greater muscle engagement and improved strength gains. Cardiovascular exercise, such as jogging, cycling, or swimming, pairs well with a low GI diet by providing steady energy over longer durations. Low GI foods prevent the blood sugar spikes and crashes that can disrupt endurance workouts, ensuring consistent performance. High-intensity interval training. HIIT, which involves short bursts of intense activity followed by brief rest periods, also benefits from low GI foods. The slow digestion of these foods ensures the body has sufficient fuel to power through intense intervals while optimizing fat burning. Lastly, flexibility and balance exercises like yoga or Pilates are essential for improving core strength and stability. A low GI diet enhances focus and endurance, ensuring effective, mindful movement during these routines. Together, these workouts and dietary strategies support well-rounded fitness and long-term health. Practical tips for combining workouts with a low GI diet. Combining a workout routine with a low glycemic index (GI) diet is a powerful strategy for achieving sustained energy, improved performance, and better recovery. A low GI diet consists of foods that release glucose slowly into the bloodstream, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. This slow release is crucial for fueling various types of exercise, from strength training to high-intensity interval training. HIIT. Here are practical tips for optimizing your fitness results by pairing the right foods with your workout routine. 1. Plan pre-workout meals wisely to maximize energy during exercise. Focus on consuming low GI foods 1 to 2 hours before your workout. Ideal pre-workout options include oatmeal, quinoa, or whole grain toast paired with a source of protein like eggs or Greek yogurt. These foods provide a slow and steady release of glucose, ensuring your muscles have sustained energy for the duration of the workout. Avoid high GI foods like sugary snacks or white bread, as they cause rapid blood sugar spikes followed by crashes, which can lead to fatigue during exercise. Tip: stay hydrated by drinking water or herbal teas alongside your meal to aid digestion and optimize energy utilization. 2. Fuel strength training with protein-rich low GI foods. Strength training, such as weightlifting or bodyweight exercises, requires steady energy and adequate protein for muscle repair and growth. Pair low GI carbohydrates like sweet potatoes or brown rice with lean protein sources such as chicken, tofu, or legumes. The combination helps maintain energy levels while promoting muscle synthesis during and after the workout. Example pre-workout meal. A bowl of quinoa with grilled chicken and steamed vegetables provides an excellent balance of slow-digesting carbs and protein. Post-workout. Tip: include low GI carbohydrates and protein immediately after strength training to replenish glycogen stores and support muscle recovery. A smoothie with spinach, berries, and protein powder is an excellent choice. 3. Optimize cardiovascular workouts with balanced meals. Cardiovascular exercises like running, cycling, and swimming benefit from a low GI diet because these foods provide consistent energy over longer durations. Focus on balanced meals that combine carbohydrates, healthy fats, and protein to fuel endurance. Whole grains like barley or farro, paired with avocados and grilled salmon, can help sustain energy during extended cardio sessions. Pre-cardio snack idea. A slice of whole grain bread with almond butter or a handful of nuts and an apple can provide the necessary fuel without causing blood sugar spikes. 4. Power through HIIT with strategic nutrition. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, demands short bursts of intense effort, requiring rapid energy availability. Although low GI foods digest slowly, they ensure a steady supply of energy, preventing early fatigue during these intense sessions. Eating a meal rich in low GI carbohydrates an hour before your workout will provide the endurance needed to complete high-intensity intervals. Pre-HIIT fuel example. Brown rice with grilled tofu and mixed vegetables or a banana with a small handful of nuts offers a balance of carbs and healthy fats for sustained energy. Post-HIIT recovery. After a HIIT session, consuming a blend of low GI carbs and protein will help replenish glycogen and repair muscles. A smoothie with spinach, banana, and protein powder can be an ideal recovery drink. 5. Support, flexibility, and balance. Exercises with light, low GI snacks. Exercises that focus on flexibility and balance, such as yoga or Pilates, require less energy but benefit from foods that promote focus and stability. Light, low GI snacks that provide slow-burning energy can help you stay centered during these sessions. Opt for foods like nuts, seeds, or a small bowl of berries before starting your practice. Pre-yoga snack. A small portion of oatmeal with chia seeds or a handful of almonds will provide sustained energy without feeling heavy. Post-yoga meal. After flexibility exercises, focus on hydration and light meals. A salad with leafy greens, avocado, and a boiled egg can aid in recovery while maintaining steady blood sugar levels. 6. Stay consistent with meal timing. Consistency in meal timing is crucial when combining a low GI diet with exercise. Aim to eat balanced meals at regular intervals throughout the day to maintain stable blood sugar and energy levels. Avoid long periods without food, as this can lead to energy crashes and decreased workout performance. Tip: prepare meals and snacks in advance to ensure you have healthy, low GI options readily available, especially on busy days. Combining a low GI diet with a well-rounded workout routine can lead to enhanced performance, better recovery, and long-term health benefits. By focusing on the right foods at the right times, you can sustain energy during exercise, improve muscle repair, and maintain stable blood sugar levels. Whether you're engaging in strength training, cardio, HIIT, or flexibility exercises, low GI foods provide the foundation for a successful and sustainable fitness journey. Consistency, balance, and mindful nutrition are key to achieving your health and fitness goals. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful tips, and together, let's smash those fitness goals and inspire each other along the way.